Clearbrow, North Dallas, 22 GT4 Expel Ultimate Plus paint protection install, full front end with the rocker system. Let's take a look and go over this pretty quick since this is take two. Forgot to set the airplane mode. People keep calling. So what I spoke about was previously was full decon, wash, and polish before we put any films or coatings on cars. You'll see here with the emblem fully removed, everything goes underneath the emblem, so there's no marks. You'll see the hood is mark free. That's from not hits on the car, any markings from damage, but from installation. So no installation issues as far as mishandling or we call it silvering or lift lines or things like that. Everything's perfectly crystal clear. It doesn't even look like it's on the car. Coming back here, full mirrors, obviously, coming around all edge to edge. Our fender or the back side all wrapped in, no lines. We don't put a line here, we wrap it around the back side. Just like our fuel port. The fender wraps in here, the door wraps all the way around. The frunk all wrapped in, the fender all wrapped in back here. Everything's nice and perfect. Coming up on our bumper and the fender, they meet too tight right here. We don't disassemble the cars, and good luck trying to put a bra on with a bumper off a car. So everything comes up to the edge. We like to wrap all the edges, but unfortunately it's not possible with some vehicles. If it left a little gap from the factory, which sometimes they have, we would take advantage of that and get the bra on there, but not this one. So it's still fine. It's nice and tight. There's no big gap. The whole bumper went in that way. Our washers for the headlights, these pop out simple, and then there's no big gaps. We hand cut that. We hand do all this. This one wrapped in. This doesn't wrap anywhere, so getting these two pieces is pretty easy for us. You'll see we don't have a seam anywhere in here. It's all one section. Coming around, everything's nice and tight, all fully wrapped that edge. And then the fender, same thing over here. Let's check out our rocker system. Coming up into the door, everything rolls into the door. Everything fully underneath. Everything all in here, nice and clean. This rolls all the way back. The GT4 is all inlaid. We don't have the box around it like some people have an option. And that's simply it. Everything goes in perfectly. The back of it, mark free. And there it is. Another great install. 22 GT4, hard to get car nowadays, but fully protected for the track or the roadway. Any questions, clearbrownorthdallas.com. I'd be happy to assist you, or I get people that call me from out of state and find them other dealers that will assist them in doing this type of wrap. So feel free to call. And just remember on the YouTube, I don't give out pricing on how we do these because they change. And I really don't feel like going back and trying to fix prices from years ago if I miss it. That's not what the system's intended for. You can just shoot me an email real quick at clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com. I'll be happy to give you pricing on what you have, or give us a call. So clearbrownorthdallas.com, cell 940-703-8301, landline 214-414-3809. Take care.